The manufacturing world is changing. We talk about it all the time. I'm here at GROB UK's headquarters in Stratford-upon-Avon, and behind me, they're showing off at their open house one of their latest automated solutions. We'll come back to the automation. First, I'm going to take you to the actual machine tool. Now, this is a G550T universal machining centre, and what they're showing off here on this machine, in the main, amongst some great demonstrations, is this tunnel concept that they have on all their GROB universal machining centres. Now, the great thing about the way this tunnel works, it means that wherever the spindle is, the mechanical cutting conditions are identical. They're at the best possible mechanical cutting conditions you could have, because the actual whole spindle is fully supported in that tunnel. The rails are fixed, but the shoes move with the spindle. So you've got complete rigidity, and this is a big point for GROB. And what they actually push about that is the fact that some of their customers are seeing far improved surface finishes, better precision, less tool wear, and that's just the machine itself. Now, this is a 5-axis machine. You've got upside down machining possibilities on it. We've got a great demonstration on there. You can also do turning on these machines, so they are completely universal. But outside of the machine, this is what's really impressive and is really a big part of what GROB are showcasing these days, is this automation. Now, this will actually service the machine continually, unmanned. It doesn't have to be similar parts. You can see here on some of the pallets they've got lots of different components, lots of different fixtures. And I guess the idea here is, and what they're talking to their customers about, is the fact that the unmanned run, the reduction in labour, the fact that you can potentially save power and electricity, and you can be more efficient by keeping the spindle turning thanks to this type of automation. You might be able to replace several different machines from within your machine shop and just have one solution that completely fills that spindle all the time. Now, one of the differences that GROB talk about with their solution here is this kind of twin fork system in the middle. Now, this is the loading station here, but in the centre, or the heartbeat of this, you can actually have a pallet ready to go into the machine, as opposed to taking a pallet out of the machine and then putting it back in a station and then taking it out from another station and putting it into the machine. This is totally different. You've got the pallet waiting to go into the machine. So there's no downtime, or the downtime is an absolute minimum. This is your loading station here, so it's easy for the operator to get into, load their parts. And I've got to say that the control systems on this is so intuitive. It's like a drag and drop system here on this interface as well. So you can literally pull a pallet in, take a pallet out, so simple. But of course, if you've got automation on the pallets, you're going to need additional tools. And that's what they've included here on their TM180. Now, you've got up to 180 tools with this solution. If you've got lots of different parts on the machine, you're going to need the opportunity to be able to get lots of different tools. So the combination of this tool solution, the combination of this automation solution, and then of course the combination of the machine itself gives you the opportunity to be more productive. It gives you the ability to do lots of different components. It's not just about quantities of the same part. Now, don't forget that GROB always talk about the fact that their heritage is in the automotive sector, and how demanding is that sector. So these machines, or the technology within them, are used to working really long hours in difficult environments, and that's no different with the modern machine tools. You can come here to GROB's headquarters, UK headquarters, here in Stratford-upon-Avon, to witness not just machines like this, but their other universal machining centre range. Really, really, really impressive.